Hey everybody, I just found a few minutes to have a play with my Unimig Viper 195, which is the Tig Mig stick with, can't remember what you call it, smart settings, so you can kind of pick stuff up, kind of set the settings, and it kind of picks the best welding settings. So been playing with the Tig Welder a bit today. Not my first time, but not my, just practicing. This is a little end cap for a post. I know you could have made it out of steel closer to the sides, but there's two reasons for not. One is this is the steel I have, and the other is it's as much of a practice as an actual making thing. So I get to TIG weld these pretty much all on the flat. These are butt joints. These are, what do you call it? Outside corner, so it's kind of butted up to one piece. I don't know if you can see it. Now you can kind of see that there, how they are. And that's that one, and for reference, that's the, if I do it properly, that's the other side of it, and that's my other side. On both sides I've joined about here, so starting from this end, kind of travelling, at that point I went whoop, had a bit of a mishap. This is a fairly flat spot with almost complete, or I'd say that's complete penetration. Here it's kind of up top a bit and stop. I'm using the high frequency start / controller button because I don't have a foot pedal, so kind of end up with a little crater at the end of it. But if there's any welders on here, let me know what you think for a beginner, and if you have any suggestions to help me improve, then let me know. But that's this. And the other thing I've been working on are these little guys. They're little, welding logs. Basically, it's just a way to make a mess of TIG welding. But little logs. Practice. What I was thinking of doing is, I think what I've seen online is you do these little logs, stick a little axe in it, and I was thinking of making like a little kind of stand for it. I've got two, so maybe I was thinking maybe making one for both my boys, and kind of go make, what I was thinking was get a piece of steel about that size, roughly, so probably two pieces, I'll probably use this stuff. 2 pieces by third, it's like the old 4x6 kind of 2x3, I guess, ratio. But that, got little axe, then maybe a little kind of name stand for my boys. Probably not anything they'll be interested in until they're older, but that's what I was thinking of doing with those. They're just a bit of steel pipe with a little end cap kind of welded on. They look like junk, but I think that kind of goes to the kind of style of what they're trying to be. Trying to look like little logs. Anyway, that is that. There's all kinds of welds in these. There's cold ones, there's kind of hot ones, quick ones. That one there looks like it was getting pretty warm. I'd probably already done a few beads and was chasing the heat on that one. This one's got a couple little holes just because there was holes drilled in it beforehand. But yeah, that is what I'm doing today. Some point I will get back to the mower, but I might do a little quick update. I think I'm running out of time today. But yeah, this is the Tig, using 1.6mm filler wire and the 1.6 I think mil tungstens, the grey ones, whatever they are. Yeah. And actually, seeing as I am running with the Tig, I'm going to do a quick demonstration, or just not even demonstrate, I'm going to show how I am sharpening my tungstens. So this thing is the motor off a chainsaw sharpener. My dad gave it to me. I think originally I was thinking of making it into a tool post grinder for the lathe there, but before I got around to it, I needed a tungsten sharpener. I got this little disc from AliExpress, and I screwed it on. Pretty straightforward actually. Just literally goes on. I don't think it's quite the right hole. I think it's a bigger hole, but kind of get it centered well enough. If I get around to making a holder for it, I just clamp it in the vise. Then get the tungstens in a drill and just kind of go, you kind of just set your angle and just go in the drill to make it kind of nice and consistent. I do have this thing, which is a Dremel mounted one, which is kind of a similar idea, but the wheel is a whole bunch smaller. And it does work. I do like how this guy works better than this though. Because this, I don't know, it's just more efficient. I feel like I get a better result out of this guy than I do out of this guy. Yeah, we'll see how long the discs last. This guy came with a whole bunch of discs with it. There was like 10 discs or something. This thing has the one. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there because I think I need to go check on my wife and my boys. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a good one.